Looking for ways to garden in your small space? Let's dive into the world of container gardening, a fantastic solution that breathes life into petite patios, balconies, and even your indoor areas. Stay tuned for 5 amazing tips that will help you make the most out of your small space. First up, choosing the right containers is crucial. Consider the plant's size and pick an apt container. Drainage is key, so ensure your choice allows it. Materials matter too. Plastic, ceramic, and clay each have unique properties. Remember, your container is your plant's home, so choose wisely. Next, you must select suitable plants for your container garden. Consider the light and space available. Petite peppers, small-scale tomatoes, and compact herbs like basil or parsley are excellent choices. Remember, picking the right plants can make your small space garden thrive. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of quality soil. It's the bedrock of your container garden, providing your plants with essential nutrients. Think of it as the foundation of a house. Strong, fertile soil leads to thriving plants. Good soil equals happy plants. Our fourth tip is to water wisely. Container plants demand a delicate balance in watering. Too little and they'll wilt, too much and they risk root rot. Understand your plant's needs and adjust accordingly. So remember, water wisely for healthy plants. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. Pruning, fertilizing, and checking for pests are essential tasks. These simple habits help your plants to thrive, keeping them healthy and vibrant. Remember, a little bit of regular care goes a long way in keeping your container garden healthy. So there you have it, 5 simple yet effective tips for container gardening in small spaces. From choosing the right containers, selecting suitable plants, using quality soil, watering wisely, to regular maintenance. Each step is crucial. But don't be daunted, because when you see those first sprouts push through the soil, all your effort will be rewarded. Container gardening, even in small spaces, can be a truly enriching experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.